Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete all of your history comments on YouTube using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and then search youtube.com. You can see here on my search bar. And now just go ahead and click on history at the left side of your screen. And now you can see here the section where it says manage all history, and you want to click on comments. And now you can see here all of your history comments. And now if you want to delete some of them, or if you want to delete a comment, just go ahead and click on the X or this sign here. And now just go ahead and click that, and here confirm that you would like to delete this activity. This will not show again. So just go ahead and click delete if you are sure about your action. And as you can see, that comment is now deleted. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.